Okay, is it recording? I think it is. Yes, it is. Hello, my fellow humans. Let me make the camera bigger a little bit. No, wait, not working. I mean, like, so my apologies if there is any. Now I got it. Perfect angle, I think. My apologies if there is any annoying. I do mean really, really annoying background noise. But also, so I was like in the Discord server. Yes, I have a Discord server. So a fellow human wanted me to do a video reaction to Walmart Brainrot ad re-uploaded 1080p quality W sound. So yeah, I'm going to be reacting to this to Walmart Brainrot ad re-upload and 1080p quality W sound. I hope they're nothing too bad since this says re-upload. I hope they're nothing too naughty here. I think I have it in the perfect, volume. So they just like in that volume that you can hear my voice, the commercial in the same time. I think.
Chat, can I tell you a secret? We don't say slay. We say you ate.
You ate. Cool. What
ate?
else you got? Maximum aura points. Pop in the preppy vibes. Wait, is preppy cool again?
But it's different from how it was in the 1900s.
Oh. Wow, everyone's really feeling themselves.
No cap, you weren't French or Ohio at all.
What's Ohio?
That'll be our lesson on the ride home.
Okay.
Bye. To the parents that are watching.
What?
School is in session.
They're talking.
And we are teaching a
talking
master
like
class
Sigma.
in style. So it's time to pay
Talking
attention.
Brainrot, yeah, they indeed talking like Brainrot in the commercial. But the Sigma is happening. Why they're person in wheelchair? Stand up, they say. You probably not joke like that. Like they said, stand up in a person in a wheelchair. I don't think they can do that. Okay, I just this is cringe. Yeah, I guess. Why they're doing like a dance battle? I don't think this is realistic. Like in a school, I'm pretty sure this is not gonna happen. A dance battle in a school. Now that would be surprising if that happens. Like dance battles. Is that happening? I don't think it is.
Class is in session.
Why they like using their computers like that? Like they're dancing with the computers. Oh shit. What?
Y'all feeling me? You ain't never seen nobody do it like this.
Why meowing like this? Like the commercial is interesting, I think. It's like fun, it's like cringe, but it's like an enjoyable commercial. I would rather watch a commercial like this than watch like a worse commercial. This is pretty good. This is like surprisingly entertaining. This is surprisingly entertaining in my opinion. Yeah, entertaining commercial like this. What? I hope the music not like copyrighted. I hope this is not copyrighted music.
Now serving in the cafeteria. It's about how we ate.
How long is the commercial? Man, it's like longer than expected in my opinion. If I do say so myself, the commercial is like surprisingly long. Like, what? Ice cream waiters? No, wait. Ice cream? I just put the ice cream music in the middle of the ice cream. Oh, bro.
All students report to the playground.
Playground? No. that. When I was like a teenager, I didn't have a playground. At least I don't think so. Maybe not cool like this.
Wait! Let's flip this into sport mode.
Like people nowadays, like are lucky if I do say so myself. Taxes, no, I think called phantom tax. Phantom tax.
Hope you were taking notes. School is out, but our style is in.
Is lit gear. Don't forget to put that gear. Our style gear. Okay, let me stop saying cringy words. So that was my reaction to Walmart Brainrot commercial. I think so. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you all in the next video. Goodbye for now.